Hello friends, welcome back to Super Light Food. Today let's make summer drink. It's very easy to make, so let's get started. We need 5 to 6 oranges. Next, peel the skin off it. Now cut them all into 2 halves. And then juice them well. Now add salt as per taste as well as water. Next, add powdered sugar as you want the sweetness should be and mix well. And then add ice cubes and mix them all well. Now your summer juice is ready. It tastes good. It's simple and easy to make. Have a try. Your family is gonna love it. Thank you. Like these simple and unique recipes, subscribe to Super Life Foods. Make sure you like, share, comment for more videos.